Hey guys, finally decided to change this boat. I'm tired. It's been 6 years. The past 2 years, I haven't been able to do any boating on the river right over there. The levels are always too low, and it's very treacherous. When there's water to navigate, there are places that we have hardly 2 feet to cross. So, even though we've got this boat, we're going ahead and gave the green light to Explorer Industries to fabricate our 192.
So it's the 19-foot boat from Explorer Industries. Stay tuned towards the end. I'll be sharing with you the itinerary I'll be doing for the road trip to Edmonton. And yeah, this boat has been really fun to have. It would have been awesome to keep if the levels of the water would have stayed okay, but they aren't. So we decided to sell this boat and go ahead and purchase the Explorer Industries boat. I'll have some pictures at the after this to share with you of the build. The guys at Explorer Industries were really nice to send the progression of the build, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. So you can see a lot less of a deep V. It's almost flat. And he's got that tunnel hull that feeds the water to the jet outboard. That's the main reason we bought this boat is the reliability of an outboard, but you've got the jet. It's going to be a Yamaha 150, which will be tuned down to 105 because the turbine takes a lot of the horsepower down. But so yeah, this is the boat. I'll show you the end result, final in Edmonton. I'll be doing some content over there with the guys that are really nice to take some time with me and explain the whole boat for the channel. And we'll go on their river over there. They do a test run. They'll show me how to fix that turbine if I get into any troubles out on the water. All right, road trip. Here's Canada. And we'll be starting all the way over here to Montreal. So I'll be leaving Friday morning really early to do the first run, 1,500 kilometers all the way to Thunder Bay. I will be sleeping in Thunder Bay. So it's a good 1,500 kilometers. And from there, I'll be leaving to do the other 1,500 kilometers that I want to do, if everything goes well, of course. And we'll be stopping in Saskatoon for the second sleepover. And the last leg of the journey is another 600 kilometers to Edmonton. So I'll be getting there earlier in the evening. So not far from the West Coast. So that's the trip all the way there to come back. So another 3,562 kilometers back home. So that's it. We'll keep you posted on the road trip, and we'll be posting that soon. Have a good one.